In this video, I'm sharing one secret brand new recruiting agency owners use in order to be able to increase their revenue to over 6 figures in 30 days or less. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. For most brand new recruiting agency owners, when you're first starting out, your biggest obstacles are going to be getting clients and getting paid. And while there are tons of strategies out there in regards to being able to connect with prospective clients, sometimes they just don't work. And in those moments where your strategies are not working, sometimes recruiting agency owners will join forces in order to be able to fill requisitions. Ultimately, this creates a split partnership. A split partnership is an agreement between you and another agency owner to work together in order to fill a requisition. And once the requisition is filled, you then split the placement fee. So for example, if the placement fee is 20%, you would get 10% and then the other agency would get 10%. Now, in order for this to work effectively, each of you has to bring something very important to the table. One of you actually has to bring the requisition, which means that you have been able to successfully find a client and get them into a signed contract. And the other agency has to be able to bring expertise or skills that are required in order to be able to find qualified candidates to fill the requisition. Now, you're probably wondering, why would someone who was able to get a client and actually get them under contract want to split their potential earnings with someone else? Honestly, there's a couple reasons why they would want to do this. One reason could be the workload of the recruiting agency that actually brought the requisition to the table. If they have a ton of requisitions that they need to fill and it's happening all at the same time, then they might actually be happy about that additional help. Another reason could be lack of skill set. Maybe the agency is expanding into a new niche and they don't currently have the skill set internally in order to be able to fill the requisition. They can leverage the expertise or skill set of another agency in order to be able to fill that requisition faster. Now, if you're enjoying the content so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop each week. Now, there are a few things that you want to keep in mind in regards to split partnerships. The first thing is you want to be picky about who you work with. The same logic that you use when you're being picky about picking clients is the same logic that you want to use when you're being picky about picking who your split partner could potentially be. You want to ask yourself, do your values and work ethic align? And if they don't, then you might not want to work with that individual. It could make for a messy and unpleasant working relationship. Second, you want to ensure that there is a contract in place that outlines all the terms associated with your agreement. This ensures that there is no guesswork when it comes time for you to get paid. So to recap, split partnerships can be a win-win situation for each recruiting agency that is involved. By splitting the placement fee, you and the other agency are benefiting. And remember, you both must bring something to the table, whether that's the requisition or the expertise. But be mindful about who you choose to work with and be sure to have a contract in place. And if you like this video, then be sure to join my Facebook group. I'll leave that link down below in the description box. We are in there talking all things recruiting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.